welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! So guess what? My name is Oowolaby Oluwatosin. Yes, that's just what I wanted to say. Yeah, so here is Trailblazer. Yes, Trailblazer. Yes, this is my first YouTube channel video. So yeah, I'm bringing to you introduction to my YouTube channel because you have to know the reason why you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So stay tuned. I love creating fine art illustrations with vibrant and soft colors. These pieces, influenced by an early childhood love of animated characters in cartoons and books, evoke a sense of nostalgia. Trailblazer is going to give you tutorials, tips, hacks, creativity, styling in graphics and fashion design. So I want to change this mindset. This YouTube channel is not limited to just female, because once people see fashion, they just believe it's female, it's accosted to female. So this is not limited to the female, it's accessible to everyone, both male and female and children. So I'll be giving content on female fashion and graphics design. I'll be giving content also for male that will be helpful. It is accessible to anyone. This YouTube channel Trailblazer is accessible to anyone, so it is not limited, it is unlimited. Okay, Trailblazer is yet to dominate YouTube and the world at large. Yes, that is the goal, to set the pace for every individual out there, to create solutions to design problems. Yes. So why have you not subscribed? Why? Tell me why. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to Trailblazer YouTube channel. Yeah. With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince and not confuse you to subscribe to Trailblazer YouTube channel. Yay! Welcome, fam. I'm excited and I know you're excited too. Bye. Did I just say bye? No. Welcome.